A hot cocoa station is a perfect addition to your holiday, and it's simple to create and so cute. You'll impress everybody, and your kids will love you forever. A hot cocoa station is ready and fully operational. Some hot cocoa, whipped cream,
my
candy cane, some sprinkles. A little strong. What do you think, Dylan? Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go put it on the table.
Hot cocoa station has to start with the hot chocolate, and I make my own. You can also buy it in the store. And you add a little spoon and you put it right here. Then we have the milk, nice and hot, some whipped cream, of course, gumdrops, sprinkles. My boys love putting sprinkles on their hot cocoa. Marshmallows, candy canes, some nice cups with the covers, straws. My boys use straws for their hot cocoa when it gets nice and cool. Then a little plate for your treats, because we have a plethora of cookies in our house for Christmas. And then here we have some fun little add-ins, some treats that we've made or people have gifted us, and we just put them there ready for our sweet treats. And say hi to our butler, our Nutcracker butler, ready to serve us. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know how I make my hot cocoa, please check out this video.